Hello dear Gemini, welcome to this channel and this is your August monthly reading. If you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon or Rising, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see how August is going to be for you, good, bad or best. So in the first week, you've got the Three of Stars and the Lady card. Before moving forward, let me tell you a few signs which are popping out, which is Libra, which is Capricorn, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, okay? Yes, so you could have these signs in your own birth chart, or you're dealing with such people in your life, either at work or personal life. I do see that currently you could be at a distance with somebody, emotional or long distance relationship, or you could be in a no contact or separation situation. If you're wondering if this person is thinking about you or not, yes, they are definitely thinking about you. With the lady card, they do see you as somebody who's nurturing, giving, and caring, but can be quite intimidated by you as well. The whole reason they are not approaching you right now is because they are fearful of what is going to happen if you're going to say yes, no, or is there going to be a fight, right? It's not. It's somebody who's very bright at their work. Also, it's somebody who is very good and sharp. Maybe you are a working individual. Also, they see you as a very balanced person who is quite smart and intelligent and overall a great personality. So, if you're thinking what this person is thinking about you, then this is what the message for you is. In the second week, you've got the Three of Moons and the Devil card. Now, this talks about a celebration that you're hoping for an abundance or success that is coming towards you, probably with a particular person. But I do see that there's a devilish energy around you. It can be an evil eye, it can be black magic, or it can be simply this person who's very toxic for you. If you're dealing with a toxic personality, I suggest please cut them off if it's a toxic friend, family member, or your own partner as well. This person can be controlling, abusive, narcissistic, or they're only here to abuse you and use you. So if you think that this person has not been giving you commitment for a very long time, they will never give you commitment because they never have any intentions for it. There is somebody around you who could be giving you wrong advice also, so please beware of that, or somebody who's trying to come in between the two of you. If this is your work you're talking about, if you're hoping for a celebration or some sort of promotion coming your way or salary hike coming your way, please make sure that there's somebody who's trying to stop it for sure. It can be your own HR, it can be your own boss, right? Who might pretend to be a nice individual that you can go to them, who are approachable, talk to them, but ultimately they are toxic and they will not want you to grow in life, right? So if you can maintain distance and not share too much with them, that will be really good for you guys. In the third week, you've got the Eight of Moons and the Four of Sun. This comes as a relief for all those who were fearing of a particular outcome. If you were fearing that you will never clear this exam or what's going to happen, some good news will come your way towards the third week. I also see that if you were fearing if your family is going to ever agree or accept the relationship that you're proposing the person, this is the time where you will be introducing them to your family or they will be introducing you to theirs. Some sort of good news is coming your way. Maybe you're getting a new job, maybe you're getting success in your business, clearing an exam, or you are making it official and declaring your love and introducing your partner to your families. Some sort of celebration is definitely coming. I also see that you will be very social in the third week of August, where you will be reuniting with the old lost friends, school reunion, college reunion, friends, and family or relative as well. So, third week is going to be a good week of happiness and cheerful scenario at home where the families look happy, you look happy, and you're definitely enjoying the attention which is coming your way. Interesting, in the fourth week, you've got the Cardinal card, the Seven of Stars, and the Justice card. With the Justice card here, I do see that A, you're trying to take any risk or you have taken a risk. Like maybe introducing your partner to your home was a risk. Maybe jumping or switching to a new job or career altogether or starting a business was a risk, right? You are also going to accept a proposal or give a proposal to someone. Some sort of risk you're taking in the last week of August, where I do see that justice will be happening. If someone did you wrong, I assure you that you will be starting with a beautiful life. Maybe somebody cheated on you or did not pay attention to you, did not choose you, right? Which hurt you a lot. Now you're taking a risk with a new individual. If someone did not promote you or did not give you the opportunity, now you are taking a risk with a new job or new business, right? Some sort of justice is coming your way. If you have done a good karma, if you haven't hurt anyone, people who have done you wrong will get their karma this week, and you will also get to know about it through friends, family, social media. And if you are the one who has done wrong karma, then be prepared accordingly. Some sort of karmic justice will be done. You could be clearing a lot of things. You could be starting a karmic cycle as well. Karma is playing a huge role, but I do see that if you were looking to take vengeance from someone because someone did you wrong, no matter who it is, please don't, because karma is going to take justice on your behalf anyway. So overall, I see it's going to be a decent month for you. Yes, there are ups and downs. Yes, there are toxic people. Yes, there are major decisions and karmic connections that you will be doing this month. But it's overall a good month if you keep a good attitude, if you can identify the toxic people and cut them out of your life and continue to do the good karma. Okay, this was your monthly general reading. Now remember, if you're not resonating with one sign, check out the other signs in your birth chart. And if you would like to book any personal reading, please like this video if you liked it. Okay, subscribe to my channel and check out the description box. I do have personal readings, rituals, counseling sessions, no contact readings available with me. So check out the description box, and the services are very budgeted. If you have more than one question, I suggest you can take the package also. That will come with a free blockage removal ritual, which is a free remedy to remove the blockages from that area of your life. And all my packages are 800 rupees, which is less than 1000 rupees. Right? My personal reading, if you want to only ask one question, starts at 215 rupees. Again, very budgeted. So check out the Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. I keep on posting the prices and the services over there on a daily basis. It's also mentioned in my highlights or pinned posts. So check that out. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Show some love to my new channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.